How much exercise is enough? Whether you are trying to lose weight, get into better shape, or just maintain your good health, it's important that you get enough exercise, each and every day. But do you know how much exercise you should be getting? And do you also know when you are doing too much and actually causing more damage than good? There's a really fine line between enough and too much exercise, and you need to figure out how much is right for you. There are a number of factors that determine how much exercise you should be getting, ranging from your current level of health, to your goals, and you need to sit down with a pen and paper and write everything down. Then you can see how much exercise you need, and start going about getting it. What are your goals? The amount of exercise you need depends on your goals. For example, if you are just trying to stay healthy, you don't need to go all out and work up a big sweat. A nice brisk walk will do the trick nicely. But if you are trying to lose weight, you will need to do a lot more. Many people recommend that we all get at least half an hour of exercise a day, while others recommend an hour or more. If you are comfortable with a half-hour walk, and it is meeting your needs nicely, you don't need to increase the time or intensity. If you are trying to lose weight, you need to do exercise that is a bit more strenuous if you want it to do any good. For those who aren't used to doing a lot of exercise, it's a good idea to start out slowly, and walking, even if it is just around the block, is a great place to start. Any exercise is better than none at all. Once you are used to it, you need to begin challenging yourself either by increasing the intensity and length of your walks, or by adding other exercises into your routine. Those who are getting into bodybuilding need even more exercise. Bodybuilders often work out for at least a couple of hours a day, but it is important to remember that in order to give your muscles a break between workouts, you should only lift weights 3 or 4 times each week, and do a different type of workout on the off days. When it comes to knowing how much exercise is enough, only you really know. There will always be recommendations made by professionals as to how much we should be getting, but our bodies will tell us when they have had enough and need to take a break. Are you getting enough exercise? You may think that because moving is exercise, walking from the couch to the refrigerator is a workout. There are a lot of people who aren't getting nearly enough exercise, and if you're one of them, you need to start rethinking your life and making some huge lifestyle changes. No matter how busy you are, make the time to get a little bit of exercise every day. It doesn't even matter how much you're getting at first, as long as you're getting out there and doing something. You can start getting exercise by incorporating it into your regular activities. Take the stairs instead of elevators and escalators. Walk instead of driving short distances. Bike to work instead of taking your car. You will be helping the environment too. There are all kinds of things that you can do. You can even turn your housework into exercise if you are creative enough by doing some really great stretches while you're sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, and dusting. And all of the lifting you have to do can be a great workout for the arms. How much exercise you get doesn't matter if you have a poor diet. It doesn't really matter how much exercise you are getting if you are not following a healthy, well-balanced diet too. The two go together like chocolate cake and milk, and you really can't have total good health if you aren't eating healthy and getting enough exercise. For some, this can really seem like a chore, especially those who are used to living sedentary lives and eating junk food all the time. But it is important to eat healthy and get exercise if you want to have a long life, and not end up developing health problems like heart disease, kidney disease, and diabetes, just to name a few. You also need to make sure that you are getting plenty of protein in your diet, because it is essential for good health. It provides the energy needed to exercise, and helps the muscles to recover after working out. There are many foods you can eat that are loaded with protein and other nutrients, and the best sources will be all natural. Animal-based proteins are the best, because they are complete proteins. All vegetable proteins, except soy, are incomplete proteins, so in order to get what you need you must eat these foods in combination. Soy is the one plant-based protein that is a complete protein. You may also want to consider using protein supplements if you are not getting enough protein from your diet. Protica has a number available that are great for all types of diets, including those for weight loss, and you can easily order them right online. Try ProfectR or ProasisR, liquid protein shots that are high in protein but low in calories, or munch on some protein candy. Visit Protica.com to learn more.